Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. We just do a mukbang fruits. Look, apple and orange. I would like to shout out to our team Happy. Thank you so much for inviting me to Facebook live, YouTube live. And then thank you for all viewers. Thank you so much. Then I hope you like it for our next video. Mukbang time! Yummy!
What's that?
Yummy! Come here.
Yes.
Say hello. Hello!
Hello.
Welcome to
Welcome to channel.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Just watch me there on YouTube.
Yeah.
This is my son. The name of him it's Weljun Atay, and then we just here now in Croatia, and then we just eating now fruits because it's good for stomach.
What's that?
It's good for health, the fruits. And then this is tomato. This is Mang Tomas all-purpose sauce. This is from Philippines. We just ordered that here in Croatia with Filipino too, and then it's really good that have a store here now, and then it's good because we can use, and then now we just ordering the food from Philippines, and then every month they have new like this magic sarap, and then we don't need to go to Philippines to buy the like this magic sarap, everything for needed for cooking. Thank you so much, Mom, for who you are, for Happy Team. Thank you. I'm so happy today, but this morning I almost cried for my subscriber. They just unsubscribes me, and then I'm so disappointing. Thank you so much that for trusting me, to accept me who I am. Thank you so much, everyone. And then I wanna say thank you for our commenters.